Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Tumblr account. Only do this if you are sure, as there is no way to get your account back after you delete it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to do this on both PC and mobile, starting with PC. In a web browser, open tumblr.com and make sure you are logged in to your account. Click on the user icon from the top right of the home page. Then select Settings from the menu. Scroll to the bottom of Account Settings and click on the Delete Account button. Put in your email address and password to confirm and then click on Delete Everything. Your account will be deleted. It's not possible to delete your Tumblr account on the mobile app, but it can be done on a web browser on mobile. Open up a web browser and go to tumblr.com and log in to your account. Tap on the menu hamburger in the top left corner of the home page. Tap on Settings from the menu, then tap on Account. Now, at the bottom right of the page, tap on Delete Account. Type in your email and password to confirm the deletion. And then tap Delete Everything. Your account has been deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.